Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum adab. Welcome to this video. This is an initiative to reach out to those aspiring entrepreneurs who want to start their business or want to work upon some creative ideas, innovation and technology, but need some guidance about how to start work on their projects. In this Build Startup series, which I'm going to start from this video, is aimed to bring awareness among the youth about how they can start work on their startups with special reference to Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir is a remote area with good resources, but it has not been explored to its true potential. Youth is educated, talented, however there is a need to guide their potential in the right direction. As we know, unemployment is increasing day by day, so is the case with Jammu and Kashmir, which is a serious concern for all stakeholders. Every year, huge chunk of educated people pass out from different academic and training institutions who are ready to pick up jobs, but due to little private sector investment in Jammu and Kashmir, the job opportunities are limited. Looking into this situation, there is a need to develop and create new jobs other than the conventional employment source to accommodate the flow of increasing pool of talent. Youth is the national treasure and it needs to be harnessed to explore its potential. At the same time, we have to connect them with an ecosystem where they can possibly explore the new opportunities and create employment not only for themselves but for others as well. I strongly believe that the future economic growth of Jammu and Kashmir will depend upon the number of startups we will create in coming time, which will in turn create more jobs for youth. Hence, there is a need that a robust ecosystem is encouraged by all stakeholders for the promotion of startup in Jammu and Kashmir. Hi, my name is Rais Manzoor. I'm a faculty in entrepreneurship development and I have been working in this field from last 8 years. I will be constantly sharing with you the videos that will help you to take a step towards building your dreams, exploring new opportunities and identifying the ecosystem available in Jammu and Kashmir. You can also suggest any specific area in the comments where you want me to guide you so that I can prepare a dossier for you. I'm sure all of us have a dream to do something different in life for which you are passionate about and want to convert that passion into your livelihood. In this video, we'll talk about how can we convert our passion into a successful startup. Before I proceed further, I want each one of you to like this video and share it so that maximum number of people can benefit from it. Let us begin. First of all, let me start by asking you a simple question. Have you ever thought about any idea which you felt can transform lives or industry or any business, and what efforts you have made so far to build that idea? Answer yourself. You know, I have been seeing people after completing education coming to us and telling us what business they should start. I believe that due to lack of confidence, exposure, the people even after getting highest qualification don't trust their hidden potential and talent. I would say you should possibly know what you are good at, what is the idea you want to pursue, and what qualities you have to start up any venture. Actually, people don't make the self-assessment and don't know their strengths and weaknesses. Most of the time, they come unprepared without any clear idea. That's why many ideas die down even before they start. So today, we'll try to understand what do we need to do before we can start up. I would say the person willing to start up should be good in the following areas and possess these qualities. Number 1. The person should have a clear idea about what he is going to start or the areas or problems he wants to work upon. Then he can direct his energy to build that idea or develop a solution that can be commercially viable. Any idea will give you a path which you could follow, and accordingly you can strive to gather the possible support from the ecosystem. Otherwise, if we'll go directionless, we'll land nowhere and there is a possibility that we'll lose our path. That means a clear idea or a direction is one of the important factors that can help you to build your career in the area you would like to work. Most importantly, I would recommend that you must write down your ideas and do research on that idea, like nature of idea, whether it's a new or an existing idea, or you want to do some improvements in existing product or services, whether you wanted to get into product development, retail, marketing, sales, or you want to do something in forward or backward linkages, or you wanted to do some customer-centric improvements, or any other value additions, so on and so forth. This will help you understand and execute idea better and develop a future roadmap. Every time you make any progress, you must pen it down for your reference so that you may not lose the track of your progress. Working on your idea is like to prepare for a larger competition, but if you will qualify this, it will reward you for the lifetime. So a lot of seriousness is required from you to become successful. Remember, you must do a lot of research and study on your idea about what work has been done in the past, and you must collect the data available in the relevant field. This will not only help you to plan better, but it will also save you time and you can avoid making mistakes in the execution of your idea. Number 2, passion, knowledge, and commitment. Having idea is not enough. You must be passionate about what you are doing. This is the choice you can only make as you want to build your career in the area which will give your life a direction in time to come. Remember, you are investing your time and energy on this idea, and you must be sincere with your dream. You must display the highest level of commitment to endure to take this idea to its logical conclusion. Value your time and put your best efforts so that later you may not regret that you have not given your 100%. Make your passion your career so that work will be an enjoyment for you. Believe me, when you will enjoy your work, you will be happy, satisfied, and there will be no limit to your success. Further, believe in yourself and gain knowledge about your business or idea. Don't go on asking people which business or idea you should pick. You must know your competence. Of course, you can consult mentors, experts to guide you in decision making, but it should be your decision, which of course is taken after careful planning and research. Remember, there is an opportunity cost for everything we decide in life, and everyone should get a chance to live it on our terms and conditions. At the same time, I would also like to emphasize that success is not achieved without knowledge, passion, hard work, and focus. Number 3, relevant skills. When you have an idea and you are also passionate about it, but is that enough? The idea can only work when we have relevant skills to execute it. For that, we must know what are those skills required to convert that idea into a reality, be it a technical skill or a soft skill. One important thing about skill is that you can always acquire them or hire them depending upon the need of the idea. But without these skills, the idea will always remain an idea. This is where most of the people go wrong. They want to do all the things of their own. My suggestion would be that you must work in a team with different skill sets. You may be good in one area but lack other skills. A well-planned team can overcome such weakness. Here again, I would say that your decision to build a team should be based on the idea. You must not hire unnecessarily unless there is a requirement for the skill. Hence, a lot of research goes into the idea transformation, and that's one of the reasons that people succeed or fail in their projects or ideas. So what you have to do is that decide an idea which you are passionate about and acquire the relevant skills to transform that idea into a successful business model. Number 4, right resources and infrastructure. Now, when you have done research on your idea and you have acquired the relevant skills or build a team to do that project, now you need the resources to start your project. You would now plan for the execution of your project in terms of land, infrastructure, human resource, labor, size of the project, capital, and finance. Believe in me that there is enough opportunity waiting outside for your project until it's a carefully planned and a well-thought business proposal. You can start with your own investment, or there are enough government and private sector agencies, venture capitalists, investors that are willing to invest in your project by means of various grants, seed capital, loan, equity, etc. There are many incubation centers also available in Jammu and Kashmir that will host your idea with a bare minimum cost, coupled with a pool of mentors and trainers that are available and willing to guide you in your project. In certain cases, these centers will incentivize your project, and promising startups will be financially supported as well. I shall be doing a separate video on this subject very soon. Number 5, technology. Technology has never been so dynamic in history as it's today. In the past 2 decades, there has been immense transformation in technology which is rapidly changing, and it has changed the entire world around it. At the same time, it has opened the vast field of opportunities for those who challenge it. You know, the technology which is relevant today may not be relevant tomorrow. It's important that you must understand the changing technology, and you should remain abreast and updated with the changing trends and technology, as it could be crucial for your idea some way or the other, or it may have a substantial impact on your business model. So keep updating yourself with the latest technology in your relevant area. Number 6, right timing to launch your product and services. After all research and progress you have made in the project, it is essential that you may properly decide the timing when you should launch your product and service in the market. Your product and service should be relevant in the present time. It should not be an obsolete or a futuristic thing which is not relevant for today. You must do proper market testing and sampling to understand the market acceptance or the improvisations you may need to do in your project until your project or service is ready for launch. Use your time wisely and be prepared for any challenge or competition, because it will help you to keep updating yourself and it will never let you rest. Finally, let's recapitulate what we have done in this video. We try to understand some key areas that will help us to start working on our ideas and build possible roadmap for aspiring entrepreneurs. Number 1, idea. Number 2, passion, knowledge and commitment. Number 3, skills. Number 4, resources. Number 5, technology. And number 6, right timing. Start believing in yourself. I'm sure you will agree with me on this, that it's possibly the fear of failure you have developed yourself which is limiting you to explore your true potential. It's not only stopped you, but the millions that could have possibly benefited from your idea. You can only be stopped by yourself. I would say, come out of your comfort zone and face the challenge bravely and set an example for others with your success. Ask yourself, this is the time in life when you can do whatever you want and lead the world with your ideas, creativity, innovation and leadership. It's a popular say, the leaders are no different, but they do things differently. As you may already know, countless successful people around us who have made their mark in the modern world with their ideas, innovation and technology. But I'm not going to give you these references for inspiration, and as you already know many. Instead, I want you to be the inspiration for others. Successful people have never followed others, but they have learned from others' mistakes. They have made their own way and people have followed them. But you must first of all believe in yourself and endure that you must do some good in life that people will recognize you. In my next video, I shall be discussing other information that is useful for your project and other incentives available for young, innovative and creative minds in Jammu and Kashmir. Till then, I wish you best of luck. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. Adab.